Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix headset mic not working on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for settings. After that, open it. Once you're now here, just click on privacy and security. And then in this part, just scroll down and then look for microphone for the app permissions. So once you click microphone, make sure that microphone access is enabled. And then in this part, just look for your app that you want to have access to. So let's say, for example, that your microphone is not working if you're using your camera. So if it is set to off, just turn it on and then that should fix your problem. However, if that did not work, what we're going to do next is to type control panel on our search bar and then click on open. And then under the view by, so which is at the category, we're going to click on hardware and sound and then click on sound. After that, look for your recording and then look for your mic. So let's say, for example, that this is your mic right here. So right click on it and then click on properties. After that, go to levels and then make sure that this is turned on and then that the volume is set to 100. So if you see that it looks like this, so what we're going to do is to just turn it on and then set this to right here. So after that, click on OK and then click on OK again and then close this. So once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and the search for device manager. After that, click on open. And then we're going to look for audio inputs and outputs. So we're going to click this. And then all you have to do is to look for your microphone. So just look for your microphone right here. And then once you find it, we're going to right click on it. And then we're going to click on update driver. After that, click on search automatically for drivers. And then once it is done, just click on close. However, if that did not work, then what we're going to do is to uninstall it. So we're going to click uninstall device and then click uninstall once again. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to click on action, which is right here, and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then you should be able to see your microphone once again. So all you have to do is to restart your PC and then that should fix your problem. However, if that still did not work, then what we're going to do is to click on our search bar and then search for troubleshoot and then click on open. And then in this part, we're going to click on other troubleshooters and then just click on audio right here. So click on run. And then in this part, all you have to do is to follow these steps and then they will try to help you fix your problem. So once you do that, once you're finished with this, what we're going to do last is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD and then run it as administrator. After that, we're going to type GP update and then click on enter and then let's wait for it to finish. After that, we're going to type CLS and then click on enter. And then we're going to type CHKDSK space C colon and then click on enter. And then let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, what we're going to do is to just type exit. And then after that, just restart your PC. And then once it is done, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.